Okay guys, what we're going to attempt to show with this video is how the clutch system operates. Now, the clutch system is sitting here on the far side of my Flathead engine, and the engine will be driving the staircase which lifts these steel balls up, and hopefully I can show you it with the clutch disengaged. It won't work. With the clutch engaged, it will work. So bear with me and we'll start the engine and see what we can come up with. Now the clutch is not engaged there. There's a little bit of slippage because of the drag on that drum. Now I'm going to engage it. Okay, now it's engaged. There is no slippage at the drum. We're going wide open up here at this end. Now I disengage it and everything stops. I'll engage it again, and there we go. Our crazy staircase is running, and it will stay engaged. I don't have to hold it like that. And now we'll disengage it and everything stops. This is what I was aiming for. I may do a bit of redesign on that clutch yet, but it does what I set out to show. It does engage and it does disengage, and I think that's all that we really hope to see. So thanks a lot for looking.